Hi, I'm Bonnie Robinson, a local Ottawa film producer, writer, and director. Over the past year, I've had the privilege of working with the very talented poet and actress Elise Gauthier on a project called My Ottawa à Moi. My Ottawa à Moi is a series of English, French, and bilingual poems that Elise wrote several years ago. The poems grew out of not only Elise's love for the city in which she was born and raised, but also out of a sense of frustration at the number of people who criticize Ottawa for being boring or dull. Elise's poems explore the duality of Ottawa, modern versus historical, stuffy versus bohemian, English versus French. It seemed only logical to take the next step and combine Elise's beautiful words with moving video images and music. You'll be able to see two of these videos, By and The Wandering Wanderer, at the Tree Pot Under the Stars screening held on August 15th in Dundonald Park. Hope to see you there.